If you want to lock apps on Realme GT7T, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings we're gonna scroll down a little bit, and then we need to go to security and privacy. Scroll down in security and privacy in order to find the app lock option. Here we can tap on the switcher in order to turn on the app lock, but if you do this for the first time, then we need to set up the privacy password first, or of course if you didn't set it up before. So we're gonna go to settings, and here we can set up the privacy password. You can also tap over here, use a different password type if you want to use a different password. So in my case, I'm gonna switch to 4 digits, and I'm gonna enter a simple password like this one. There we go. Besides that, we can set up a recovery email or a helpful question that will help us recover the password in case we forget it. So, of course, we can provide the answer to this question, or you can tap on the question in order to change the question, or you can set up a custom question as well. So, once you set it up, press done. And there we go. Now we can choose which apps should be locked. So let's say I'm going to lock this app over here. We have this information that app was locked. We can also use face recognition or fingerprint sensor in order to be able to unlock this app. So if you want to use the fingerprint sensor, then of course we can press use. And of course we can keep adding new apps that we want to lock. So let's say I'm going to also use perhaps Facebook, why not? And now if we try to open any of these apps, we have to enter the privacy password that we just set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.